How's it going, everyone? Caden from Speed Industry here, and today we're going to be installing this OEM rear wiper delete for the GR Corolla. This is a great plug and play option if you're looking to delete the rear wiper on your GR Corolla. As some of you know, the Marizo edition came with no rear wiper, so this is a perfect plug and play option. First thing you're going to want to do is come up to the rear wiper, and you're going to pull back this tab, and it's going to reveal the bolt behind it. You want to pull back on it, and this should flip up. Next up, pop open the trunk. You're going to want to remove this panel, which will reveal the wiper motor and the bolts to the wiper motor, so you can pull it out. You can either use your pry tool or your fingers. So you can pull this out. Be careful not to break the plastic. As you can see, this is the wiper motor. We have 3 bolts along with a connector. So in the kit you get 1 screw, and you get this cap that you put on the outside of the windshield, and this metal piece with a hole in it. So essentially what you do is when you stick this through the window on the outside, and this metal piece with the tape on this side, it goes in like this, and once it's snug, you get this bolt and you thread it into the cap. So that's essentially how it works. Once you get the window nice and clean, stick the cap in here. After you clean it, you can get this metal piece on here, peel back the tape. Then you could apply the 10mm bolt. Now you do not need to use a power tool for this. All you need is a little 10mm. Make sure it's snug. And now you can stick this panel back into the trunk. Make sure that the red tabs line up with the holes. And just like that, we have an OEM rear wiper delete. This makes the car look much more sleek. You also save a little bit of weight, removing the wiper motor and the wiper blade itself. Honestly, this mod might be in my top 5 for the GR Corolla. So that pretty much sums it up for today, guys. If you want this rear wiper delete, be sure to check the link in the description to our website so you can order this part. And with that, we'll see you in the next one.